A multifocal lens is an implant that creates more than one focal point. The typical multifocal implant is a trifocal. That means it's got 3 focal points. The first and most important focal point is for distance correction, and then the second focal point is for intermediate range, which is generally about 2/3 of a meter, so that's arm slightly outstretched, roughly where you might put a computer screen on a desk. That range can be quite strong with a multifocal implant, but stronger still is the near range. The near range, where you might hold a book or a magazine to be able to read it, is very strong on a typical trifocal lens implant. And the idea about a multifocal implant ultimately is to provide people with a very high degree of independence from glasses, both for distance but also for close range activities as well.